Okay, you guys, today we're going to be RPG trolling in public lobbies. We're going to be going into code 123 because we can't really do it in public lobbies together. And we're looted up. We've duped like lots of Dragon RPGs, like not Dragon RPGs, like RPGs and other stuff. So now
we have not duped this stuff.
Yeah, definitely. Our fan code is
definitely
crackers. You can maybe like take a screenshot. And yeah, so now we're gonna go RPG troll right now.
Channel 6.
Remember channel 6. 1, 2, 3.
All right.
Remember, if you don't see me, go to code 1, 2, 3, 4. Dang it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dang again.
Red, you?
Where are you?
Black, can I?
There you go.
Rodvin, where are you, bro?
Black, can I have?
Rodvin, where are you, bro?
Here.
Okay, let's go.
Wait, is it really that good night monster working again?
Hey, purple.
No one sees me. This guy.
Is the Jason guy still down
Stay
there?
there, bro. Stay there.
Anybody have RPG ammo?
Yes. I'm fine. I hope someone's on from Planetarium. You good?
Go! Go!
Is that you? Okay. I got scared.
Wait, what channel? What channel?
6. Remember? I got so scared.
My bad, I was in 5.
I killed the guy that was RPG trolling. Okay, no, hide a little bit. Hide for a second. Because like I just killed this guy.
You're invisible.
I'm invisible.
I'm kidding.
No, can you like don't really quick? Cause like he's gonna come up here, and everyone else is gonna come up here. It happened twice to me. It's like just stay down a little bit. Okay, you guys. So we're trying to ruin people's days. Unfortunately. Okay, let's just like come in. Peek a little bit. Maybe they move apart.
I'm gonna shoot the next one.
Yeah, we'll take turns.
See someone. He's climbing up. Might want to hide.
No, he isn't. He's cooked.
Sure.
I hear him still coming up. Wait. What do we do? Here, let's wait for him to come up and then shoot him.
You shoot him?
I don't know. Do you see him?
He's not coming up. I saw him. He's gliding down. I saw his umbrella.
Oh, okay, good.
Should I stop recording for my POV?
No, you should probably start. Like, just keep doing it.
Okay.
Two people trying to RPG troll, and I just did it. Oh my god. This town isn't big enough for the 4 of us, I guess.
Switch to over here where I am.
Got it.
There's a random light here.
Random light doesn't really help,
Look
okay?
at the next
next
one.
one.
Oh, they're talking. Be quiet.
Come here, little boy. Come here, I'm gonna touch your toes.
Should I shoot?
Touch your toes.
I would touch your toes is crazy.
That's...
Yo, go down a bit.
Okay, I think we're fine for now. Wait, see the little dots? I think nothing. I hear something, bro. Did you get someone? Nice.
Got him.
Let's see if those people are like still trying to RPG troll or not. Cause it can only be us. We let's change spots now and then. So like let's go here again. So we're gonna like say like where are all these coming from? Oh, I thought that was you. Oh my god, he loud. If he comes up to us, just leave the game.
Okay, shoot him, shoot him. The RPG trolls are back
Where?
up there. You can shoot him.
Oh.
See him?
Nope, I fell off. I can come back up. No. Okay, good. I almost fell off again. I'm out of ammo. I know it from my weight. Where are you?
No,
Sure. Come on.
I ain't
You wanna
letting
grab
that
one?
slide.
Oh, just get a grab.
I ain't letting that slide.
Guys,
How did I get red watch? How did I get red watch? I swear I didn't do anything. How did I get red
someone
watch?
needs to be on my team.
Oh, you're
No.
RPG!
Someone be on
I
my
got red
team.
watch without doing anything. I didn't do anything. I swear I didn't do anything. I swear I didn't do anything. I swear to God I didn't do
Red
anything.
what? Build.
I swear.
Oh my god.
I red watch and I somehow died.
Like,
This is
literally
special.
doesn't even go.
Come here! Yo, give me up.
Who got?
When I touch you.
Nah, I ain't letting
Yo,
this
I
little
know
kid
you're talking about
slide.
someone guy.
I have red watch, but we're in a war, guys. No one kill me,
Nah.
please.
Well, why is the game
Yo,
lagging?
I will not get paid anything down there and nothing at all. I'll block the
I have red watch because of a war. We're in a
What are you on about?
I came
I
up.
ain't backing up. I ain't backing up. No.
I'm here. Don't worry. Okay. So, oh my god. House tour? My god, my mom's calling me, by the way. Oh, I keep giving house tours. Oh my god. I'm right behind you. This things you can just like bounce.
I see
I
a
won't-
big opening in the map right there. You see it?
Where?
See it right there? I'm pointing.
No, it's fine. Just shoot the person that's also
I know.
RPGing.
Where are they? Then?
On there. Oh, they just fell down. Right next between the trees right there, next to the selling machine. Those two trees next to the selling machine.
The second?
Yeah, like those two trees like next to the selling machine, like the right. Just shoot like on the right of selling machine, next to that big tree, the biggest one. Shoot in between there. I can see him a little bit. Or we can just
I
shoot
don't
down
see
there.
him. I don't
Just
see him.
shoot in the middle.
I have 3 pieces
I
of
see
ammo
4 people. I
after
see like
this.
4 people. Please, let's shoot. You have 4 pieces of ammo. That's good.
I got no.
Where
one.
were you aiming, bro?
Right where you told me.
No, I said the other way, like the right.
I know that was the right.
That was the left.
Oh my bad.
There's people down there. You see in like mines-ish? Your mines? Oh, too late. Okay, shoot in the middle. Oh,
How'd I miss?
nice.
Wait,
You didn't.
you-
He died. His
he
backpack's
had red
there.
watch then.
Yeah, he had red watch.
Go, can you go fetch me some ammo? Wait,
Yeah. Wait, there's some guy over there. Some guy over there. Here, put the ammo in your backpack.
He die? I got him.
I don't know.
No, don't put him in. Don't put him in. I need it.
Okay.
And then go fill the bag up with some ammo.
Right now?
Mhm.
Okay. Nope. I didn't. I have the ammo. Ronnie. Was that you? See another person RPG? Right below us? Where are you? Like behind? They can hear your call. Yeah. Oh yeah, you guys see he's saying stuff right now, you guys. Am I in Colorado? The lag, yeah, just stop videoing for now. Oh my god, bro.
Power of blinding
My
light.
parents are like all asleep. It's 11. And the glub 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 the show the glub glub. Is it called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Someone just shot. Shoot in spawn. Shoot in spawn. Some guy has red wash.
I'm gonna go find these camp.
Where's the dude that
Yep.
gave the backpack of rockets
Me?
to? I need you to
All
come
here.
Yep. What is it? I'm here. Where am I? Wait, I have my bag of RPG ammo. Shoot.
Bruh, bruh, bruh,
Oh my god.
bruh, bruh.
Wait, can I try it now? Can I try it now?
Bruh,
Bro,
bruh,
please.
bruh,
Yeah.
bruh.
Bro, can you go in app so that people can hear you?
Get including sewers with us.
Go on, friend, one of your
Doom, doom,
Because
doom,
people
doom,
can hear you, bro.
Favor.
Go on, friend, one of your friends. Okay?
Got him. Right below us.
I'll block you.
That's making us suspicious.
How about
Wait, over there. There's
telling each other
oh,
and work
they're
together?
coming, I
Deal
think.
or no deal?
No deal.
Shot him again.
Come over here.
Uh-huh.
Don't worry about that.
Mhm. Wait. Okay, shh. Wait, I'm coming.
There's no ammo in here.
Okay, you guys, we're gonna shoot like a few, like this back, and then we gotta end the video because it's getting
Anyway.
really late.
Not getting that late.
It's for me. It's late.
Oh, down
bro.
there,
You're an hour
down there.
behind.
You see him?
Should I do it? Should I do it?
Mhm.
Got it.
Got him. Oh, his body got sent.
He got sent. His body.
Yeah.
Dang.
You do that
that's
one, and then
nice.
I do the last one.
Yeah.
Oh, up there. You see the RPG choice?
from me?
Get him.
Got him right. Mhm. Okay.
Last one.
Here, you got the rest. Wait, look. There's still more.
Oh, what? Dang. Alright. We're gonna swap off because since you have red watch, no, it's my turn. Since you have red
Yeah.
watch.
Last one.
Can you
No. Because then we'll
This-
know.
Why did I do that?
Yo! No, still up there. It's still up there.
You're an app, bro.
La vida es un
I'm in yeah. Okay, guys. So, okay.
It's a golden gun in.
Okay.
Hey, give me back my glasses, man.
Bro, what's the size to go to?
So, oh my god. So, you guys, after a long, pretty long for me, like after, like before editing everything out, like some stuff, we are done our preaching trolling for today. So, my cousin will join like any second now for exclamation. Yeah,
Good.
and then okay. So
Yeah,
you
then
guys,
the video ends.
unfortunately, we have to stop this for one important reason, and my cousin will explain.
We will not stop this. This is super fun. We are not gonna stop this. We will keep
Yeah.
posting more content.
Yeah.
How many likes for another video on RPG trolling?
Let's give us like 10. 10 for now. 10 for now. Then the next one will be like 20 or something. And
Alright.
for our
Heard 'em.
goodbye, I
Well,
am
I mean, like,
gonna get
yeah.
a stick. Then I'm gonna put it in the backpack. Then I'm gonna get a teleport ball. Then I'm gonna make it face through in the floor.
No.
Then
Where do you go?
we'll stop with an exploding goodbye.
Hey, Dad, can you come up here for a second?
Nope.